Friends, is it really true that if you poke a toothpaste and put it into the toilet tank, it will turn into a toothpaste cleaner? But this guy doesn't believe the video at all. So he grabs his toothpaste, opens it, and starts poking it. After that, he heads straight to the bathroom, opens the lid of the toilet tank, and drops the toothpaste in. Then, he tries to flush it. Before seeing what happens next, if you believe God can answer your prayers, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. After liking and subscribing, click on the remix button, then type D sound and watch as something magical happens. And believe it or not, the water turned into a toothpaste cleaner. It really works.